Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. This is Daisy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sublimate reversible sequin using the Cricut Easy Press. And for this project, we will need a printer with sublimation ink, sublimation paper, reversible sequin, heat-resistant tape, a heat-resistant surface, the Cricut Easy Press or a heat press, butcher or parchment paper, and a lint roller. Before I start with the tutorial, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and press the notification bell. And we're going to start working with the design in the free graphic design program Inkscape. I'm going to erase it to show you how to work with it. Let's go to File. Let's go to Document Properties. This window will show up. Here we're going to select the size of the paper we're printing. In this case, I'm going to be printing a letter size and on landscape. Close the window, go to File again, Import, select the picture you're going to be working with and open it. And click OK. Place it in the rectangle. Whatever we place on the rectangle is going to be printable. If we leave it outside, it's not going to print. So it has to be inside. This is the letter size Canva. So we can print it like this if you wish. Very easy. Just resize and print. But I'm going to cut it into an oval. Let's go to this circle over here. Click and draw an oval. Click on this arrow and place the oval inside the picture. I'm going to duplicate the oval and place the copy on the side. Now these two, I'm going to select both, go to Object, Clip, and Set. Here we have the oval. You may print it like that if you wish, but I'm going to add an offset. So I'm going to grab the oval I duplicated, go to Path, and click on Linked Offset. You're going to see this little diamond over here. Go to the right lower corner and maximize the canvas. Keep an eye on the diamond. Drag it to the outside. And change the color. Go to the corner again and minimize the canvas. Go to this arrow again and click and erase the red oval. Now this one, we're going to send it to the back of the picture. I like it like this, but I'm going to center it. Select both layers. We're going to see the align option on this bar, but if you don't see it, click over here and click on Align and Distribute. Now we're going to center on vertical and on horizontal. And ready. Now select both again, go to Object and Group. Now you have only one layer. Like I mentioned at the beginning, I'm going to be using the Cricut Easy Press, and that one measures 9 by 9 inches. So I'm going to try to make the design a little smaller. Here we're going to click on inches. I'm going to click on this lock and change it to 8.75, making sure it's inside the Easy Press. So we do it at once. Now I'm going to add some text. Let's go to this A over here and type. Now click on this T over here, click on any font and look for the one that you like. I like that one. It's called About Love, and apply. Click on this arrow and resize it. Let's make sure this one measures 8.75. Ready. Change the color and ready. And like I said before, we're going to print one by one. I'm going to put this one outside and place this one inside the Canva. Go to File and Print. And if you already have set up the printing preferences for Sublimation printing, just click on Print. If you haven't, click on Preferences. Here we're going to select letter size, landscape, premium presentation paper matte, high quality. Let's go to more options. Remove the high speed and check on mirror image. For sublimation, it's very important to print in mirror mode, especially when you are printing text, and click OK. If you wish to set up the printing preferences for sublimation printing so you don't have to do it every time you print, I invite you to look for my tutorial of how to do that process. Go to my channel, click on videos, and there you will find all my sublimation tutorials. Click OK and print. As you can see, it shows you how it's going to print. It's already on mirror mode. Make sure of that and click on Print. And we do the same with the other one. If you see that the printing is not so colorful, don't worry. Remember, sublimation ink activates with heat. When you transfer, the colors are going to look vivid and bright. That's why it's very important to use a good high quality sublimation ink. I like to use Hippo sublimation ink. Before transferring the design, we're going to clean the surface using a lint roller. Now place a piece of parchment or butcher paper on top and iron it. This to remove all the wrinkles. Now we're going to align the design and secure it using heat-resistant tape. Since the design is bigger than the Easy Press, we're going to transfer both pieces separate. If you are using a heat press, you may press it all at once. Place a piece of butcher or parchment paper on top of the design, and we're going to press for 50 seconds at 400 degrees. You may remove the paper, but make sure when you transfer the other piece, the Easy Press don't touch this area. And we're going to do the same with the picture. Since the picture is bigger, make sure you use enough heat-resistant tape so it doesn't move. Place a clean piece of parchment or butcher paper on top and press for 50 seconds at 400 degrees. And here we have the Sublimated sequin fabric. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and press the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.